today we're going to be starting a new fresh episode. We're going to be moving from formation of words to sentence construction. So we're going to be using some words I'm going to be listing out to form a sentence. So in that way, we're going to understand that every English word is what is used to form a sentence. Okay, so let's dive in straight into today's topic. Right now, I have some words listed out from here to here and here. So I numbered it 1 to 10, and we're going to be using them to construct a sentence. So let's start from number 1. I have words like D. I have man. I have is. I have fantastic. Okay, so how do we make a sentence out of that? Now let me read. The man is fantastic. The man is fantastic. The man is fantastic. That's a sentence. Okay, so let's go to number 2. I want, it's supposed to be T here. I want to inform you. Ellie is a word. You inform to want I. So I can read it as a sentence this way. I want to inform you, Ellie. Like, I want to inform you, Ellie. Okay, like I want to inform you on time. Now let's go to number 3. I have words like it, an, informal, later. Okay, so put together as a sentence, I have it's an informal later. It's now a sentence. I use the words to form a sentence. Are we good? Are we together to this point? Okay, so number 4, I have control, your, like your faithfully, your whatever, temper. So the sentence reads control your temper. It's now a sentence. Okay, control your temper. Good. All right, so number 5, I have this is the moment. This is the moment. This is the moment you've been waiting for. This is the moment you've been looking for. This is the moment. Now is the moment. Okay, so number 6, the car is portable. The car is portable. It's a portable car. The car is portable. It's a portable car. The car is portable is the sentence. Number 7, can. It's the word. You please introduce yourself. Can you please introduce yourself? If I'm not mistaken, most of the words we have here, we've treated them during our word formation section, so I don't think they are in any way in a confusing state. I think we are familiar with it, so let's proceed. So can you please introduce yourself? Please introduce yourself to me. Hey, I am Enetina, and this is my channel. So right here we do reading, writing, educational core. All right, so I'm a creator, and this is what I do. Adult education class. All right, so that's that. So can you please introduce yourself? Number 8, I love your fashion style. Okay, I love your fashion style. I love your fashion taste. I love your fashion sense. I love your fashion outfit. I love your fashion style. That's what we have on the board. I hope it's making sense. I hope we are getting something out of this. So, in a nutshell, we are using these words listed out to construct a sentence, which is to say, you can pick some words and construct a meaningful sentence and a correct one as well. So let's proceed to number 9. So right on number 9, I still have the choice is yours. The choice is yours. This is yours. Is choice D. The choice is yours. Are we together? So number 10, I got your message. Do you got my message? I got your message. Okay, so as you can see, we have 10 sentences with this listed word on the board, and you can as well make use of any word out of here to construct your own sentences. Yeah, it's something you can just do to know how well you're doing. So that's that on this. Let's read it again. So the sentence reads, the man is fantastic. Fantastic. Man. The man is fantastic. I want to inform you, Ellie. I want to inform you, Ellie, about anything. Okay, number 3, it's an informal letter. The letter is not a formal one, it is an informal letter. Okay, number 4, control your temper. Control your temper, like bring it down. Control your temper. Okay, number 5, this is the moment. Now is the moment you're waiting for. Number 6, the car is portable. The car is portable. Number 7, can you please introduce yourself? Please introduce yourself. I did mine. Number 8, I love your fashion style. I love your fashion sense. I love your fashion style. Number 9, the choice is yours. Yeah, the choice to do certain work is yours. The choice to pick a word here and pick some words here and make it a sentence is yours. So the choice is yours. Then number 10, I got the message. I got your message. I got your message. Okay, you got my message. Okay, so that's that on today's section, and I hope you enjoyed every moment of it. All right, keep tuned, don't go far. See you on my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.